What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn and today we're going to learn how to play Level of Concern by 21 Pilots on the good old uke. But before we get into this tutorial, make sure to hit that red subscribe button below. It looks a little bit like this. Click it, it will turn gray if you haven't already. Also, if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube, make sure to hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe icon. And finally, the biggest thing I would love you forever if you did this is give this video a big old thumbs up. That basically just tells YouTube that this video is awesome, and it will hopefully share it out to other people who don't know that this channel exists just yet. And that's how I get to grow and do more of these types of videos. So I'd love for you to give this video a thumbs up, and now let's get into this tutorial. So this song just came out and the chords are fairly easy. The chords that you need for this song are C, C major 7, D, E minor, and G. So if you're like, Ricky, I know how to play all those chords, let's move on to the strumming or the mini play along, I got you. You can go right here and just skip to whatever section that you want. You're not going to hurt my feelings if you skip ahead. I totally understand if you know the chords and you want to move on to the strumming. So I'm going to put a timestamp right here. Pick where you want to go. But if you're like, Ricky, I just started playing like a couple days ago or a week ago, or just teach me how to play the chords, don't worry, this is why this video exists. So let's go step by step on where to put our fingers for each chord, and then let's move on to strumming. So before we talk about chords, let's quickly talk about how we number the strings and the frets. So let's pick up our uke, and the top string is going to be the 4th string. The next one down is going to be the 3rd. The next one down is going to be the 2nd. And the last one at the bottom, that's going to be the 1st string. So it's going to be 4, 3, 2, 1. And now let's look at our fretboard, and you have these lines right here, right? So this is going to be the 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, and then so on. So make sure to kind of get familiar with the numbering of the strings and the frets. So if you need to pause this video really quickly, just take a look and be like, all right, I got this. 4, 3, 2, 1, strings, frets, all that good stuff. And now let's talk about the actual finger placements for each chord. Alright, so we've made it to the chord section of this video. So the first chord that we need to learn is the C chord, and how I like to play this one is I like to take my ring finger and I like to place it on the 1st string, which again is the bottom string. So 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is a C major 7, and basically you're just going to take your finger where you had for the C and you're going to move it up 1 fret. So now your ring finger is on the 1st string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we're going to need is a D chord, and how I like to play this one is I like to take my pointer finger and I like to go over the top 2 strings, which is the 4th and the 3rd string, on the 2nd fret. Then I take my middle finger and I place it on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is an E minor chord, and how I always say it looks like a staircase going down. But we're going to place our pointer finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then we're going to take our middle finger and we're going to place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And then we're going to take our ring finger and we're going to place it on the 3rd string, 4th fret, and it should sound like this. And the last chord that we need for this song is a G chord, and how I like to play this one is I like to take my pointer finger and I like to place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then I take my middle finger and I place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then I take my ring finger and I place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. So those are all the chords that you need for this song. If you do need a little bit more time, then just press the pause button, get really comfortable and familiar with the finger placements for each chord, and also transitioning between the chords, because that's going to be really helpful when we talk about strumming and also just playing the song in general. So if you do need a little bit more time, make sure to pause this video and then press play once you're ready, and let's move on to the strumming. Alright, so we made it to the strumming portion of this video. We just learned about chords, and now let's talk about how we're going to play this song. So the strumming pattern that I do for this song, and I also did a full play along for this song, definitely should check it out right up here. Also leave it linked in the description and top of the comments. But basically the strumming pattern is going to be a down, chuck, up, chuck, up. So let me do that one more time in 3, 2, 1. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up. So I have the G chord down, and let's just go a little bit slower with the strumming pattern. It's just going to go down, chuck, up, chuck, up. So if you don't know how to chuck, basically chucking is you're playing the strings, you're strumming down, and then you're muting the strings with the palm of your hand and just pressing down right after you strum. So again, strum, pause down. So basically, again, you want to do it a little bit quicker. So strum, down, strum, down, strum, down. And then when you do it quicker, it will sound like this. So basically, again, you're just strumming down and muting the strings with your palm. So again, the strumming pattern with the chuck is going to be down, chuck, up, chuck, up. Now, if you're not comfortable or if you're just not ready to add a chuck or you don't like chucking in general, you can substitute the chuck part with a down strum. So let's put our G chord down, and this is the strumming without a chuck in 3, 2, 1. Down, down, up, down, up. Let's do it one more time in 3, 2, 1. Down, down, up, down, up. And if you're super new to playing, you can always just do a down strum if you really want to just simplify the song as much as you can. Down strums are always a great idea, especially if you're a beginner. Just strum down with your thumb, and then whenever you see a chord change, that's when you strum down. So again, I'll have the lyrics and the chords in the description as well. Also highly recommend to check out the full play along again in description below and top comments. But that is how I play this song. So if you want a little bit more time, pause this video, practice the strumming with the chords and transitioning between the chords with the strumming, and then press play, and let's take a look at how everything gets put together in the mini play along in 3, 2, 1. Panic on the brain, the world has gone insane. Things are starting to get heavy. I can't help but think I haven't felt this way since I asked you to go steady. Wondering, would you be my little quarantine, or is this the way it ends? 'Cause I told you a level of concern, but you walk by like you never heard. Bring down my level of concern. Just need you to tell me we're alright, tell me we're okay. Alright, so congratulations, you now know how to play Level of Concern by 21 Pilots. Again, this song just came out, so it's awesome that we got to learn it together. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It looks a little bit like this. And if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube, make sure to hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe icon. And finally, follow me on Instagram. We just hit 54,000 Instagram family members, and I would love for you to join. So say hi, send me a DM, tell me that you came from this video or any of my videos, and let's chat. And finally, if you're like, Ricky, what is that beautiful uke? It is a Leolani ukulele. This is their concert-sized uke. Absolutely amazing. It's a Hawaiian company, and their ukes are absolutely amazing. They have Leolani, and they also have Kumu ukuleles, which are a little bit higher end, but this is literally such good quality, and the price is amazing. If you do want to shop these ukes, you can go to leolaniukulele.com, and I'll also link it in the description below. You can find all their socials, all my socials and everything in the description below. But yeah, I highly recommend to get this one. This is a high quality Hawaiian ukulele, and I absolutely love it. If you want to save a little bit money, which who does not want to save money, you can use the code Ricky2020 at checkout, and you save 10% off your entire purchase, which is absolutely awesome. So again, thank you to the team over at Leolani Ukulele for hooking you guys up with the 10% off. Again, use code Ricky2020 and you get 10% off your order at checkout. So highly recommend to buy one of these if you want. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I think I've uploaded already a video this morning, but you know what? When 21 Pilots comes out with a new song, you gotta do it. You gotta upload same day, basically. So thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.